Ginger really is one of the most versatile spices in the world, isn't it? Rich in many nutrients, it has been used for thousands of years to cure different malaises, thanks to its therapeutic properties. Isn't it amazing? But today, we will learn some ways of losing weight with ginger. The first step for anyone who wants to lose weight is to change their lifestyle. Did you know that vitamins and nutrients are essential for losing weight? Ginger is a natural and healthy food with many uses that allow us to absorb its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, analgesic, and cardiotonic properties. Additionally, it is also great for women's health. It helps warm cold feet, increases libido during menopause, prevents nausea during pregnancy, and many other things. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Besides giving energy and being a mood booster, it stimulates the immune system, detoxifies, treats anemia and constipation, and prevents some types of cancer. See 3 ways of losing weight with ginger. Number 1. Drink warm water with ginger and lemon in the morning. Number 2. Green tea and ginger. Number 3. Ginger lemonade. What do you think of these recipes? Try them and share your opinions with us. Please hit like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe to get notified when we upload next video.